gives 7 days to MMC to recover greetings cost, says all had posted greeting banners on the streets in South Goa. For 14 months, lifeguard strike is on. Now they marched the Drishti office at Donapaul in protest. Chief Minister said that mining should restart within 6 months and government had made all preparations for the same. Liberate Sonsodo from the daily wet waste by 19 December, demands Goa Forward's Vijay Sardesai, accuses government of playing politics on issue, says Michael should shift one Saligaon plant to Sonsodo. Hello everyone, I am Leena and now the news in detail. Stop playing politics over Sonsodo, enough is enough. Liberate Sonsodo from the daily wet waste from 19 December, Goa Forward Supremo Vijay Sardesai said on Friday. Vijay has given 19 December deadline to start work of wet garbage treatment. He also gave a suggestion to Michael Lobo to shift one plant from Saligaon to Sonsodo.
On Friday, an inspection was held at the Sonsodo in South Goa after several complaints were received, especially due to the wet and other waste being dumped there. On Friday, Vijay alleged that the government is deliberately not solving the Sonsodo issue, so the blame can fall on him as the Fatorda MLA. Michael Lobo was supposed to visit the Sonsodo, but he did not turn up there. Watch to what Vijay and the CEO has to say.
Like wet waste जो दिसा घेता, तो wet waste जो treatment जायना, 35 ton wet waste. जी प्रक्रिया टेंडर घालपाची ती बायोमिथेनेशन प्लांट्स घालपाची बी वो टेंडराचो प्रोसिजर टायम वतलो. सो हांवें पयर मंत्र्याक अशें सजेस्ट केल्लें की तांणी एक प्लांट सालिगांवच्यान हांगा शिफ्ट करप. 19 डिसेंबर मेरेन आमी तांकां टायम दिल्लो आहा की बायो रेमेडिएशन जें ते करताले तेजें काम परतें सुरवात करूंक जाय लिगसी वेस्ट काबार करपाक. आणि डे टू डे वेस्ट जो येता तो तांणी थंयचे प्लांट हाडून हांगा सेटअप करून 35 टन वेट वेस्ट दिसाक ट्रीट करपाची कॅपॅसिटी आपली हांगा करपाक जाय. ते प्लांट हांगा परमनंटली उरचे ना. जेन्ना आमची जी प्लांटां येतली तेन्ना ते प्लांट ते पडते वयतले. बट इन द इंटरिम पीरियड दीस सिच्युएशन इज ग्रोईंग बिकॉज वी आर नॉट ट्रिटींग द वेट वेस्ट. म्हाका सदांच एक डावट लागता, सरकार आणि त्यांची हांगा जी पार्टी आहा तांकां आमकां पोट दाखोवपा खातीर सोंसड्याचो प्रॉब्लेम ते सॉल्व करूंक सोदना. सोंसड्या खातीर आमची सिन्सियरिटी पयलींच्यान आहा. हांव जो सरकार केल्लो ताचे पयलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आमी हे डंपान केल्ले आदले मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकारा बरोबर. इतलोच कमिटमेंट आजूय आमचो आहा. वेदर देर इज अ कावन्सील ऑर नो कावन्सील, आय एम देर एज अ MLA and it's my job to see that this issue gets solved. हो इशू आमी सॉल्व करूंक जाय, आमी हाताळपाक जाय. हाजे खातीर आमी हो पाटील म्हणटाचो हिंदुस्तान वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचो ताका आमी सांगलां की प्लांट ताणें हांगा शिफ्ट करप. 19 तारखेक लिबरेशन दिसाक सोंसडो लिबरेट करपाक आमी प्रक्रिया सुरवात करतली. वी विल लिबरेट सोंसडो फ्रॉम द वेट वेस्ट, डेली वेट वेस्ट and the piled up legacy waste. Both the processes will start by the 19th of December.
Honorable MLA was also there, Fatorda MLA. So he has given certain directions and he has suggested that some machine from Goa Waste Management as a temporary measure to tide up the situation to be shifted here. This he intends to do it by 19th of December so that some remedial measures, some action is being taken. I said we will cooperate fully with them. And there is also piling of this thing, garbage on the road. I have directed my staff to put a JCB and push it back. And there is also issue of some baling machines have been stopped. Some this small machinery has been stopped. There is a short supply of pails and plastic bags. So that I have told my municipal engineers to do it, buy it from the open market till the tendering process is completed.
Sandeep Thumekar for Goa 365 from the Sonsodo.
Goa Forward Party employees Forward convener John Nazareth on Friday demanded that the government should restore Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva health card scheme for government employees. He also appealed to the government to suspend biometric attendance recovering unit until the COVID-19 pandemic was over.
Go Forward party leader John Nazareth demanded DDSSY scheme should be restored for the government servants. Nazareth also is the former head of Goa Government Employees Association. The party also submitted a memo to the Health Department and the government on this. Listen in.
एक लेटर केला ते जे DDSSY दीन दयाल स्वास्थ्य सेवा योजना ही स्कीम पळय गव्हर्नमेंटान लागू केल्ली ती आता पळय फाटी विथड्रॉ केल्या नोव्हेंबर 2019 ती परत रिस्टोर करची म्हणून एक करपाक रिजन म्हटल्यार इतलेंच की फाटलो गव्हर्नमेंट जेन्ना आसलो हेडेड बाय लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर तेका हांवें मेळोन तेका हांवें दाखोवन दिल्लें ही स्कीम गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंटांक कित्याक जाय पळय ती ते उपरांत ताचो गव्हर्नमेंट वयतकच मनोहर पर्रीकार हाचो गव्हर्नमेंट येयलो आनी तो येतकच हांव तेका परत मेळोन तेका सांगलें सर हांवें तुजे प्रिडिसेसराक सांगोन अशें एक एप्रिज केल्लो म्हण सांगपाचो हेतू म्हटल्यार असोच आसलो की एक स्पेशलायज्ड हॉस्पिटल आहा फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमी धरया गोवा मानिपत जरी तो थिंगासर एक गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट आनी एक प्रायव्हेट जनरल पब्लीक जरी तो ट्रिटमेंट घेता जाल्यार गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट हॅड टू पे फ्रॉम हीज ओन पॉकेट आनी प्रायव्हेट जो इवन चडशे पळय मायग्रंट देखून आसताले तांकां DDSSY कार्ड यूज करून तांकां ट्रिटमेंट फ्री मेळटालो म्हणून हें ताका मान्य जालें आनी तेणें ती स्कीम इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंटाक 2017 if I'm not mistaken September 2017 नोटिफिकेशन काढून ती इम्प्लिमेंट केली पूण ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटान जो एंटी गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज पळय एडॉप्ट करीत आसा एक करून HBA केले कितें केलें ते तुमकां खबर आहा ह्या गव्हर्नमेंटान ती विथड्रॉ केली 2019 नोव्हेंबर 2019 ही रिस्टोर करपाक हांवें लेटर केल्लें आसा आनी दुसरो डिमांड केल्लो आसा तो सस्पेन्शन ऑफ बायोमेट्रिक अटेंडन्स रिकॉर्डिंग हे कित्याक केला नॉर्थ एड्युकेशन झोनान फाटी एक मनीस श्रीहरी सतरडेकर जो UDC जावन आसलो तो बाबडो कोविड जावन तो संवसार सोडून गेलो पूण अशी तिका खबर पावल्या की तिकासो चडशे स्टाफाक हे जाले एटलिस्ट मिनिमम 12 स्टाफाक तरी कोविड जाले आनी चडशे जाणांचे अशें म्हणणें आसा इवन प्रेसान हाडला की ती बिकॉज ऑफ बायोमेट्रिक अटेंडन्स जाल्या म्हणून आनी बायोमेट्रिक अटेंडन्सान जरी तर एकामेकाक ट्रान्सफर जाल्यार पब्लिकूय इन कॉन्टॅक्ट येता ते कडेन पब्लिकूय इन कॉन्टॅक्ट येयलेल्यान ती पब्लिकाकूय वचोंक शकता आनी वय बोमशार कसो जावंक शकता ताका लागून अंटील द पॅन्डेमीक इज ओवर गव्हर्नमेंटान हे सस्पेंड करची पयलीं सस्पेंड केल्ले हे कित्याक परत रिस्टोर हे केले म्हणून समजना सो अंटील द पॅन्डेमीक इज ओवर आनी सेकंड वेव येता मागीर थर्ड वेव येवंक शकता सो अंटील द पॅन्डेमीक इज ओवर गव्हर्नमेंटान हेजेर रिथिंक करचें आनी जाता तितले बेगीन हे सस्पेंड करचे बायोमेट्रिक.
Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Everyone had posted different greeting banners on the streets of South Goa. Now on Friday, the Directorate of Municipal Administration has directed the Chief Officer on MMC to take necessary action and submit the action taken report within 7 days.
6 councillors has been continuously displaying temporary advertisement during the festival without taking the mandatory permissions nor paying applicable taxes. And more interestingly, they had found reasons to increase the charges for temporary advertisements from Rs 25 to 500 per display. The officer said that if the contest again as councillors, they will have to pay dues. Also appeal to the people to pay their house taxes dues by the 31st of December or face action.
Regarding the some tax matter or bills matter or payment of some dues to the municipality, Shadow Council has brought to our notice that ex-councillors, they are to pay some dues of the banners they have put. I have also already directed them to pay the whatever dues before end of this year. It's not only for them, it is for every person who is trying to contest the elections. there should not be a defaulter, they should not have any dues to the municipality. I appeal to all the persons to clear the bill before the 31st of March, or before if they are contesting the election, they should not be defaulters to the municipality. I had also appealed to all the public in general, press report and advertisement, to clear their bills before 31st of March, who are paying regularly. And those who are defaulters who had not paid for the several years, 31st of December is the time limit given to them. Now I am taking this opportunity through you to request all my persons of Margao Municipal Council who are in due, please come and clear the bills. There is an online facility as well. Our counters are also open, and there are also many persons who have not taken trade license. They are operating without any trade license from the municipality. More than those persons who have taken the trade license, there are many persons who have not taken trade license, and some businessmen also are carrying on one or two more trade licenses without taking permission from this council. I also request them to clear the bills, to come forward and pay their bills or obtain the trade license, those who are conducting the business without any trade license. So this is my appeal to them. Please come and pay the dues before 31st of March. We are trying our best to recover whatever dues are there. So kindly, please pay the dues before the end of this year. Otherwise, we will be forced to take some coercive steps. Due to COVID situation, we cannot serve the notices individually.
म्युनिसिपालिटीक आनीक DMAक एक कंप्लेन दिल्ली की फाटले 4 फेस्टिवलाक दॅट इज 2019 4 फेस्टिवल क्रिसमस जावं गणेश चतुर्थी दिवाळी अशें करून 4 फेस्टिवलाक 100 कावन्सिलरांनी बोर्ड्स घातिल्ले एडवर्टिजमेंट बोर्ड्स घातिल्ले एंड आपल्या वार्डान आनी त्या टायमार त्या बोर्ड्साचेर तेमी हे पेमेंट करूंकच ना कित्याक आमी RTI मागले तेन्ना आमकां तांचो रिकॉर्डूच मेळूना पेमेंट केलें म्हणून आनीक आमचे कडेन फोटोग्राफी विडियोग्राफी आसा त्या फेस्टिवलाचेर आनी त्या बेसिसाचेर आमी कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा की हांगा कडेन पेमेंट कित्याक कलेक्ट करूं ना काय म्हणून सांगपा म्हणल्यार बॅनर घालपाचो रेट 25 रुपया आशिल्लो प्रत्येक बॅनराक पूण ह्याच कावन्सिलान तो 25 आशिल्लो तो 500 केलो समजता कित्याक एक रेवेन्यू येवच म्हण सो रेवेन्यू येवच जालें जाल्यार तुमी बी तितलो कंट्रिब्यूट करपा जाय.
Sandeep Tuekar for GOA 365 in Margao.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that structure of the commemoration of the 60th Liberation Day celebrations was done at the meeting held on Friday. He asked for suggestions for the various programs, including a logo slated for the celebrations starting from 19 December. Here are the details.
The first meeting of the state-level organizing committee of the 60th year of Goa Liberation Day celebration to chalk out the program was held at the conference hall at the ministerial block at the Secretariat in Porvorim. The government has decided to mark the occasion of the 60th year of Goa Liberation Day in a big way of commemorating it as a state program with a year-long program. The state-level organizing committee is to screen the proposal and monitoring committee to monitor the day-to-day functioning and to oversee all activities pertaining to various works facilities of their execution.
ह्या हेजेर आशिल्ले सगळे मंत्री आमदार बाकीचे अपोजिशन MLA सगळ्या जाणांक इन्विटेशन दिल्ले बाकीचे वेरियस डिपार्टमेंट्स हाजे अधिकारी आशिल्ले मराठी अकादमी कोंकणी अकादमी तियात्र अकादमी आणि तसेच बाकीचे फ्रीडम फायटर्सच्या दोन्ही एसोसिएशनचे अध्यक्ष बाकीचे फ्रीडम फायटर्स हे उपस्थित आशिल्ले पण पयलो कार्यक्रम हो 19 तारखे दीस जातलो 19 तारखे दीस सकाळी आमचे जशें ट्रेडिशनली फ्लॅग होस्टिंग जाता ताच्या व्यतिरिक्त सांजच्या आदेशाचेर म्हणजे पणजेच्या जिमखाना ग्राउंडाचेर एक कल्चरल प्रोग्राम हेजो सुरवातीचो इनॉग्रेशन प्रोग्राम हो देशाचे राष्ट्रपती श्री रामनाथ कोविंद जी हांच्या हस्ते ह्या कार्यक्रमाचे इनॉग्रेशन जातलें आणि बाकी सगळे अतिमाननीय व्यक्ती ह्या कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित आसतले. कोविडाच्या कारणान ह्या कार्यक्रमाचेर जरी रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स असले जाल्यार आमी कमीत कमी लोकांक ह्या कार्यक्रमाक इनवायट करून ह्या कार्यक्रमाची सुरवात करपाची थारायल्या. त्या खातीर सांजचो 5:30 ते 7:30 ह्या वराचेर जिमखाना पणजे हांगासर हो प्रोग्राम आमी सुरवात करतले. पुराय वर्सभर कार्यक्रम कशा पद्दतीचे आसचे कितें आसचें एक रफ आराखडो तयार केला. रफ आराखडो तयार केला आसतना आमी तशी सजेशन्स म्हणजे कमिटीच्या मेंबरां कडल्यान मागला तशी प्रेस म्हणून तुमी सजेशन दिवपाक काय हरकत ना. जाल्यार आपली मेल ID जो आसा तो मेल ID डायरेक्टर ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमकां दितले त्या मेल आय डीचेर तुमी तुमची सजेशन्स गोंयांतल्या इतर कलाकारांची लोकांची नामवंत लोकांची सगळ्यांची सेलेब्रेशन्स आमकां लिबरेशन इयर सेलेब्रेट करपा खातीर जी सजेशन्स जाय ती सगळ्यांनी आपआपली सेलेब्रेशन्स धाडून दिवची. लिडर्स परत काँग्रेस पार्टीचे बाकीचे MLAs बाकीचे खासदार स्वतंत्र सैनिकांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स पत्रकार काही तुमचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स मराठी अकादमी कोंकणी अकादमी आणि गव्हर्मेंट ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह यांच्या सगळ्यांनी आपआपली वेगवेगळी सजेशन्स MGPचे लिडर बाब सुदीन ढवळीकरय उपस्थित आशिल्ले मान्य प्रताप सिंग राणे सिनियर सगळ्यात लेजिस्लेटर ते आशिल्ले बाब सार्दीन विनय तेंडुलकर आमचे खासदार हे उपस्थित आशिल्ले बाकी आर्लेकर श्रीपाद नाईक म्हणजे तांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह उपस्थित आशिल्ले पार्सेकर सर आपण फक्त पावूंक शकलो ना काही कामाचो बाकीचे आमचे आमदारूय बी आमचे मिनिस्टर्स डेप्युटी CM दोनूय ह्या सगळ्यांनी आपआपली वेगवेगळी सजेशन्स आणि ह्या कार्यक्रमाच्यान दिली इवन दो म्हणजे दिगंबर कामत हांचेय सजेशन्स जे आसा ही सगळ्यांची सजेशन्स कन्सिडर करून हो कार्यक्रम फक्त सरकाराचो न्ही तर हो कार्यक्रम गोंयकारांचो आसा. हो कार्यक्रम आमकां सगळ्या जाणांक इनवॉल्व करून घेवपाचो कार्यक्रम आसा. त्या खातीर कोणीच हो कार्यक्रम सरकारी कार्यक्रम म्हणचो न्ही हो प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचो कार्यक्रम आसा.
Shamchari for Goa 365 at the Secretariat in Porvorim.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that he was confident that mining should restart within 6 months. He said that the government had made all preparations to restart mining.
The Chief Minister and stakeholders had met the Mines Minister and other top officials in Delhi on the issue. This issue has been hanging fire for a long time and there has been a lot of pressure on the government to restart mining.
कालच्या माझ्या मायनिंगेच्या मिटिंगेचेर कालची मायनिंग मिटींग ही हांगासले जिओमी एसोसिएशन बाब अंबर तिंबलो नेतन सौरीक आनी तांचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह हे उपस्थित आशिल्ले. आमचो मायन्स मिनिस्टरच्या बरोबर मिटींग जाली. सेक्रेटरी आमचो AG बाकीचे प्रेझेंट आशिल्ले CS आशिल्लो की सखोल डिस्कशन जाल्या उपरांत जाता तितक्या बेगीन मायनिंग सुरू करपा खातीर केंद्रा कडल्यान आनी राज्या कडल्यान ज्यो उपाय योजना करपाक जाय त्यो करपाक सुरू केल्यो म्हणपाक काय हरकत ना. आमी फास्ट ट्रॅक केला. आतां नाव देर इज अ डेली करस्पॉन्डन्स बिटवीन द DMG डायरेक्टर ऑफ मायन्स गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा आणि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ द मायन्स गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया हांच्या मदीं कंटिन्युअसली करस्पॉन्डन्स कंटिन्युअसली कम्युनिकेशन जावन की बेगिनात बेगीन सुटावो जावपाक. म्हाका खात्री आसा की चडांत चड आमी फास्ट ट्रॅक केलें 3 ते 6 म्हयन्या भितर सुद्दां हो प्रश्न सुटावो जावपाक शकता. आमकां लिगल अडचणी येवच्यो न्ही हाच्या खातीर आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. कायद्या नवे जर हितून कांयच अडचणी येयल्यो ना जाल्यार 6 म्हयन्या भितर सुरळीत रित्या परत एकदां मायनिंग सुरू जावपा खातीर सरकार प्रयत्नशील आसा. 18 म्हयने म्हणजे डे टू डे ह्या विशयाचेर फॉलोअप करता आनी कंटिन्युअसली की मायनिंग सुरू जावपा खातीर आतां म्हाका दिसता चड उशीर लागचो ना. सरकाराची पूर्णता तयारी आसा. सगळ्या बाबतीत सरकारान तयारी दवरल्या आनी सरकार मायनिंग सुरू जावपा खातीर ज्यो स्टेप्स घेवपाक जाय ते घेता. हांव जेन्ना म्हणटा की 6 म्हयन्या भितर सगळें जातलें तेन्ना सगळे अल्टरनेटीव विचार करून हांवें जो 6 म्हयने म्हटल्यार सगळ्या गोष्टीचो विचार करून हांवें तुका सांगलें.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Porvorim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. And now for some sports news. Newly signed Indian Spanish centre forward of FC Goa, Ishan Pandita on Friday said that he is all set to kickstart his campaign debut in the Indian Super League Season 7 soon. Ishan said that he has recovered from this eye injury and is hoping to play against Kerala Blasters on Sunday at Fatarda. Here's more.
In an exclusive interaction with Clinton D'Souza, FC Goa's centre forward Ishan Pandita said and shared his excitement to make his debut in the Hero Indian Super League Season 7. Ishan also said that FC Goa is aiming to win this season under the leadership of coach Juan Fernando. Watch.
I was obviously excited to come back home. I had never been part of any league or tournament in India before. And just like any other kid, I was excited to come back home, play, and hopefully perform to my best and show India what I have. The time I left to Spain was when ISL had just started, so I know ISL has grown a lot every single year, and I had an opportunity to come back home with things not going as well as I planned in Spain. this year due to COVID, etc. And the opportunity came with FC Goa, and
Yep. Yeah, Ishan, you have not started your campaign. You have not done your debut in ISL. Let's get on the pitch out there. So, what you have to comment on that?
Preseason was going well,
Hmm.
and everything was going the way it was supposed to. But sometimes things pop out of nowhere, and I got
Yeah.
this bad eye infection,
Hmm.
which slowed me down, and then I got a hit in training in the same eye. So my
Yeah.
eye was very bad, and I had to miss a lot of trainings. And I was just resting and waiting for my eye to open up again. So I missed a good chunk of preseason
Hmm.
due to my eye, and because of that, I missed the first few games as well.
Yeah.
But now that's done. That's the past. I'm getting as fit as possible, as fast as I can, and hoping to hit the field against Kerala and get a few minutes in and get fit again. Team can always be hard, but FC Goa has been fantastic. It's amazing here. You feel the unity, the love, the family. We're all one, and the welcoming has been fantastic. It's a warm vibe here. It's a good energy, and we have a good set of boys here, a good team, and the energy is good. And hopefully we can get some results now. But it's been great here. Juan is a great coach. Uh, a little lucky that he's Spanish as well, so there's a bit of a connection there. But he's a great guy, good coach. He has his own mindset, his own methods, and he's drilling it into us. And I'm sure that soon his way of play will be reflected on the field, and we will get those 3 points. Nothing. Hopefully, I can give them back what they want and get a few goals in this season, and hopefully we can take the ISL for the first time.
Now for the weather. Weather in Goa is likely to be dry for next 5 days from. Minimum temperatures are likely to rise by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius on 5th December. Sky will remain partly cloudy. Maximum temperatures likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and minimum temperature likely to be around 22 to 23 degrees Celsius, predicted IMD.
Dry weather prevailed over the state of Goa on Friday, and there was no large change in the minimum temperatures in the state. The minimum temperatures were below the normal. However, the lowest temperature was recorded in Panaji of about 19.8 degrees Celsius. The highlights are dry weather expected, the maximum temperature to be around 33 degrees Celsius, while the minimum can drop up to 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. The minimum temperature can rise up to 1.2 degrees Celsius on the 5th of December. Sky will remain partially cloudy, while the lowest minimum temperature of 19.8 degrees Celsius was recorded in Panaji. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, Goa365TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa365TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.